Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What the business is, guys. Merry Christmas to the one that celebrate holidays, the one that don't. I apologize for that. But yeah, see, I'm put my bottom of my window stripping in. I done took it out. I'm about to go back up with this one on the driver's side. It's pretty easy though. It's a 10 millimeter here. You gotta take that screw out right there for this here to remove this. And it's also a 10 millimeter bolt there. And once you get there loose, you pretty much pull this window here out that way. So I gotta put this here also new too, so all my window stripping new around my windows, except for this. I ain't seen nothing wrong with this one, so I ain't changed it, just dirty. But also, I got the right one this time, guys. I'm gonna get ready to clean my window down here where it's being the door. Excuse the noise. I'm change this one here. I tried to put my chest strap on for my GoPro camera, man, but the thing don't fit in my slot, so yeah, this is where I'm at with the driver door, and put y'all back on once I put everything back together and show you how it look. I'm back with it, guys. I'm done. That's the inside. See, my inside one, it's pretty straight. Ain't got no cracks in it. I can't change it because that actually to my interior, but you can see that I got my door panel back on. My thing look down the window. The window's going down good. This is how it look on the outside. Look nice. It look real nice. Matching my front now. I will change my sport pro wires, but ain't nothing wrong with these. I just thought the one I had ordered that was shorter, but they not. So I ain't gonna do nothing up under the hood. It's the red top battery, the best one they make. 800 cranking ounce. I got my new one in the front. I'm gonna change this one here. Man, I changed too. It gonna make it look a whole lot better, bro. Once I change it. It's a nice day today. It's a nice day today. Really cleaning up. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put y'all back on once I start on this other one here on my passenger side. Alright. There you go, guys. I got the other one in. put the other one in. It look a whole lot better now. It look a whole lot better on the outside. Ain't gotta worry about no water getting down off my door. Ain't worry about no water getting off of my door. I still gotta do some things, man. I gotta like paint that white spot. I'm gonna paint all that, man, on both sides. I'm gonna do something with my box. And the reason why I said I would change my spark plug because I don't like this here, which it ain't burning my spark plug wire, and then I just don't like that touching. I just don't like that touching. The 6-0, man. I'm gonna soon, I'm gonna put my, I got my AC, compressor bracket. I got another brake for this here. My alternator bracket, power steering, I got all that. I'm gonna soon put that together. Once I, probably, I'm gonna start around next month or February. Get the whole thing right for summer, man. Get my interior done. I got a new brake booster, master cylinder. Everything brand new up under the hood, man. Windshield wiper motor. I even got this here brand new too. I just ain't put it in yet. So I'm gonna be doing some modification soon up under my hood. I've been getting a little odds and ends out the way. Dope shit good. I'm gonna change this mirror, and plus I'm gonna add another mirror on my other door, just like that one. And then I might just change this one out and just leave it like it's supposed to be. I'm putting some sound in this thing. I ain't got but 212. Excuse the trunk. I'm gonna get ready to clean the trunk out too. I'm gonna fix all that up there. Still got some working process going on with it, man. Paint my inside of my trunk the same color. I'm gonna keep that up there and that. You see, already eliminated. But I'm gonna cover it up with some tape before I get it sprayed again. Keeping all that. Keep everything original. I'm gonna cut my 2 holes off on my 6x9, my chain though. I'm putting 4-way back there and 33-way. I gotta paint this. I'm gonna chain these, get them brand new. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna leave this up on here black because I'm gonna put the heat protection thing. I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna put that up there. So I ain't gonna go mess with the inside of the hood. So with all that being said, I'm gonna say I'm at 75 to 80% completed. I'm gonna just say 75. I get my dimmer switch fixed. I got the switch on. I done ordered that already. And these marker lights, man, they are hard to find. I cannot find them front marker lights. But ain't nothing wrong with those. I just want to change them out. Because I changed these two back ones. These two back ones brand new. I changed those out. But yeah, once I get the process back going, bro, I'm gonna make a tour on my car. You know, what I done put on it. You know, from start to finish. I gotta paint my brake caliper. I gotta paint that. I just don't feel like taking that damn heavy rim off. I got some black paint somewhere. But yeah, guys, I'm putting my wood stripping in and everything. I gotta see, can I push that in? And this here tore up, so it's good on my other door. But like I said, when they put my interior in, I'm pretty sure they go, I'm pretty sure they come with new ones. When you put these in, man, you probably get some kind of black glue, like silicone, to keep it, to hold it up there. But I ain't put it up there because I know I had to soon change this out, so I ain't want to put that stuff up there and then mess it up. But yeah, guys, we still making progress on it, man. I ain't finished with it. You know, even though I be doing other things, but I ain't finished with Bella. We ain't finished with Bella yet. And I'm thinking about, man, I'm gonna repaint it the same color, but I just gotta get some stuff done to it, man. Like some spots, man, that you can actually see in it, like right there. But the thing is, though, I painted my car. You know what I'm saying? The dude just went over my floss. You know, the stuff that I didn't get, like putting the clear coat on it. You know, wet sanded. You know what I'm saying? I ain't do nothing. I just sprayed it. But I pretty much painted my own car, man. You know what I'm saying? I pretty much painted. He just when he put that coat on, he put some pearl in it and a little red. Yeah, he put red and some pearl in it. You know, to make it look like this, cause it was like a darker blue when I sprayed it. But at night, it actually changed color. It'd be like a bluish green. It changed color. You can see the pearl in it good. You can see the pearl in the sun out. You know, you know, so he did a good job on it, man. I just wish, you know, some stuff that I ain't like, I just wish he could have did something better. But it's all good though, man. We go get back at it soon. You know what I'm saying? I got the colors parked over here. Start on it next weekend. You know, it's Christmas weekend, so I ain't messing with it right now. I got the colors over here ready to get the motor get pulled out the heart. But yeah, guys. I'm gonna put my it took me what, I'm gonna say an hour to put those in. You know, like inside my door. You can tell I did it because I ain't sprayed, I ain't paint none of this. He just went over what I did. But everything look nice though. So guys, you know, for the one that watched my video, bro, I really appreciate that, man. And, you know, comments on some of my videos, you know what I'm saying, what y'all want to know, or what y'all want to see, what y'all think I should do to make my content a little better. And I'm recording for my new GoPro camera, bro. And I just gotta figure out how to transfer everything onto my computer so I can upload a video. Which I'm gonna figure that out today, so, cause I wanna post something. I ain't posting nothing in probably about a week. But yeah, that's what we are with the Chevy, guys. I'm gonna get back with y'all guys later, bro, when I start on the colors. I'm gonna be doing the colors in my car. So, I'm gonna put y'all guys back on, bro, real shortly. Alright, Merry Christmas to all y'all guys, bro. Hope y'all have a good Christmas and everything. Y'all be safe, bro. Peace.